If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, take a look at this 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE in super white. With multi-LED headlamps, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, LED taillights, power driver seating, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 60/40 split folding rear seat, height adjustable rear cargo area with deck board, 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5421.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.